Unraveling Idioms, Come Out in the Wash. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that's as intriguing as it is colorful. Come out in the wash. This phrase packs a punch of meaning and history, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's untangle this idiom together and discover how it can add flair to your English communication. At its core, come out in the wash is an idiom that means problems or difficulties will be resolved or become clear in time. It suggests that, despite current uncertainties or complications, things will eventually sort themselves out. The phrase is often used to reassure someone worried about a situation, implying that the issue will not be significant in the long run. The origin of "come out in the wash" is quite literal and dates back to a time when washing clothes was a more arduous and uncertain task than it is today. The phrase likens unresolved problems or hidden truths to stains on clothing, suggesting that just as stains can be removed during washing, so too can issues be resolved over time. It's a vivid metaphor that has washed its way through centuries, still holding relevance in modern conversations. Using "come out in the wash" in conversation is a great way to sound like a native speaker and convey optimism or reassurance. For example, if a friend is worried about a misunderstanding at work, you might say, "Don't worry, it'll all come out in the wash." This lets them know you believe the issue will be resolved eventually. It's perfect for situations where the outcome is uncertain but you want to offer hope that things will improve. To get a better feel for the idiom, let's look at some examples. "I know we're not sure who's to blame right now, but it'll all come out in the wash. She was so worried about the mix-up with the orders, but I assured her it would come out in the wash. The team was concerned about the project's direction, but I felt certain it would all come out in the wash." These examples showcase how the phrase can be used in various contexts, always with a tone of reassurance and a positive outlook toward future resolution. And there you have it, folks. Come out in the wash is a wonderfully expressive idiom that serves as a reminder of resilience and the natural resolution of issues over time. We hope this exploration has not only broadened your understanding of English idioms but also enriched your conversational skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Happy language learning, and until next time, may your worries come out in the wash.